in a fist fight.
He loves it. He does not shy away from wild exchange.
This matchup, the undefeated Rozenstruik with 7 wins, 6 by knockout, minus 220. He's in the gray and he sits down Crowder right away.
Yeah, that's not
and he hammers away and he's out. Whoa!
Boom, right over the top. That tied the record for the fastest.
Oh my, did you see that high kick? And it's over. It is all over. Mark Weir.
The fight clock is brought to you by Modelo.